Good morning, guys. It is approximately 7:06 a.m. That's my birthday. 7:06, but yeah. This is what you get at 7 a.m. It is what it is. Like, I don't care. I'm not just yet. But it's 7 a.m. and it's moving day. It's moving day. So I'm moving in 3 hours. I gotta go to Target. I gotta go to Walmart. I just gotta get my life together. Like, I can't. But yeah, it's moving day. And I have so much stuff to move. Like, guys, it's so crazy. But first, I'm about to get up and I'm about to go to Target. And then I'll catch you guys when I get to Target, of course. And I have to pick up a few things for the apartment and shop a little bit. And I need to get in and out of there within like an hour and a half tops. Because I know I'm going to be browsing for a while time. But yeah, I'm going to do an apartment tour later. And I'm going to be doing a lot of things. But I just have to show you guys like all the shit that I have right now that I need to move to my cart. So like, I have to move, all those are bags. It's really not trash. Those are my shopping bags. My boyfriend only has 2 boxes. Kind of annoyed. I have these boxes and then I have all of this stuff that is beside my bed. Like, and those are more shopping bags over there. And then like, I still have crap ton of shit in my car and stuff like that, and I'm just kind of like, oh my goodness, I have a lot of shit and I have to move this stuff by myself basically because everybody is at work and nobody's gonna help me. But yeah, my boyfriend doesn't get off work until like 6 and he can help finish putting the shit in the apartment. But yeah, basically it's just me right now, but I'm gonna do my hair, put on some clothes, and I'll see you guys in the shift. So I have officially made it to Target and my cutest stuff. I've officially made it to Target. Okay. I have to lock my car. Target. And this is actually a super Target. So I'm going in. Guys. I have actually no idea. I have no direction when it comes to Target. So we're just gonna figure this thing out and we're just gonna work together, okay? The disappointment when you find out Target opens up at 8. I thought they opened up at like 7. But no, they don't open up until 8. So great. I guess I'm going to Walmart first. So I've honestly accomplished quite a bit since the last time we chit-chatted. So I can let you go. But yeah, I've accomplished quite a bit since we last talked. I went to Target, I went to Walmart, I picked up some things that I needed for tonight. I go out of town tomorrow, and then I come back on Sunday. So I'm not really worried about anything or stressing anything until I actually come back. That's where he went. Until like I actually come back. Oh well, I guess it's okay. Until I actually come back on Sunday, and then I can actually purchase everything else that I need for my apartment. I'm really super excited. This is my first apartment, y'all. And of course, like, my boyfriend and I were living together, but this is like our first own apartment, and I'm like really stoked and excited for it. I can't remember if I make a left. I think I'm just gonna keep straight because I don't remember. But yeah, I'm really excited. I got Smoothie King's $5 Friday. Awesome. So now I'm gonna go to the bank, get a money order, and then slow down. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the bank and get a money order, and then head to the apartment. Like, it's 9:07. It's 9:07, and they open up at 10. So I'm gonna be there as soon as they open. Give her everything. Get my keys. Well, I need to go to my house and like pack stuff in the car. So I take that back. I'm about to go home. No. I'm about to go to the bank, and then I need to go home to fill my car with as much of stuff that I can possibly fit in here. I need to pack it out And then I can go pick up my keys and move my stuff in, and hopefully I don't have to do a lot because I am by myself. So yeah, so let me just tell y'all about my morning so far. It's approximately 12:52 p.m. Oh my goodness, it's so hot in my car. These leather seats are like crazy, man. So my car is packed out. Look, let's just, no copyrighting, but let's just, I look busted. Like, I look so bad. I'm sweaty, I'm hot, I've been running. I feel like I'm just gonna pass out, to be honest. I just feel like I'm gonna pass out. But okay, so I just had breakfast with my my god sister, and I just had breakfast with her. We just had Egg Harbor. So my car is like packed, like minus, you can't see anything from the pillows, but it's literally, as you can tell, it's like jam-packed, and plus like my driver's seat, and plus like everything that I have in the trunk. I'm about to go to Trader Joe's, get me a few bottles of wine. Yes, I said a few, not one. I'm gonna get me a couple of bottles of wine, probably two, one strawberry, one peach. But and then that was me pressing my gas. Oh my goodness, why did I do that? And then we're gonna head to the apartment because I picked up the keys and everything, and I signed my lease and stuff, but I didn't go because I had to come meet her for breakfast, and I didn't want to be super late because I was already late. But oh my goodness, I need to unzip this jacket. Oh my goodness, it's so stinking hot. Like, it's been so cold in Georgia since like October last year, and just this week we're just now getting some good weather. And when you're running and doing a lot of moving and stuff, it's just, it's not worth your life. Like, go outside naked. Like, seriously. Don't eat any more Smoothie King because I had pancakes, I had eggs, I had turkey sausage, and it was bomb.com. If you live in Georgia, if you live in Atlanta, or if there's a Pearl Harbor, it can't talk. If there's an Egg Harbor near you, I definitely suggest go see it. But y'all, let me tell y'all how exhausted I am though. I am so freaking exhausted. I'm just so exhausted. Like, this is a lot for me right now. I'm really exhausted. I am. So I'm about to go to Trader Joe's. I gotta figure out how the heck I'm gonna get out this parking lot, because the way that these things are set up, I don't think I'm gonna get out. I'm like sweating, it's disgusting. Trader Joe's run is now done. I'm about to head to my apartment, guys. Like, I'm so excited, and I'm like nervous, and I'm like emotional, like all at the same time, because this is my first apartment. Like, this is my first apartment that's actually mine, that's like in my name, and it's just like mine, and I'm just super excited. Picked up my 2 bottles of wine, some cookie butter. If you have not tried cookie butter, get on that shit. And what else did I buy? Oh, I re-upped on my soap. So yeah, I'm tired, and I haven't even unloaded yet. I'm like, do I unload first? Do I go look at the apartment first? Like, what do I do first? I don't know yet. We'll figure this out. I'm probably gonna go look at the apartment, come down, get my stuff, take it up at a time, and then record the empty apartment tour. So just stay tuned. If you're still watching, just stay tuned. It's coming, I promise. Tour before it's furnished and everything. There's no floor mat. There's gonna be a floor mat here, and it's gonna be nice. So here we go. So close that. So as soon as you walk into my apartment, here is the dining room area, which I'm gonna use as my office space. And my favorite part about this dining room area is this mirror. These 2 mirrors are everything. I mean, I can get a little closer so y'all can see how busted I look. That's how tired I am. But these mirrors are everything. And so then you turn to your right, and then here's my kitchen. So I have like a little bar, that I'm gonna place like 4 bar stools, like 2 here and 2 over there. I'm gonna place 4 bar stools there. Washer and dryer room, nothing fancy. This is a coat closet. This is a coat closet. This is the kitchen and everything. Microwave, fridge. This is the pantry. It looks like bookshelves, but this is the pantry. and like my kitchen and stuff like that. So now we move on to the living room. So this is the living room, and ceiling fan, a lot of space, and a lot of open windows, which I love. The door that leads up to the patio. That should we go out? If she can unlock the door. This is the patio. I'm gonna put our chairs back here. Chairs are going back there. And then one of my other favorite parts, the bookshelf. This is the bookshelf. I'm gonna hang like some pictures and quotes and frames and stuff up there at the top, and then like random stuff throughout there. That's gonna take some time to think about, to fill up and stuff. So this is the bathroom. Nothing really fancy to see here. I have a full-size garden tub and shower. I have sink, lots of cabinet space here, medicine cabinet, lights. I'm not gonna turn them on just yet. And then I have more cabinet space here that I can put things in. Don't really know. I think I'm gonna keep like my towels and stuff up here. That's kind of tall, man. I don't know. And then you reach our bedroom. So this is our bedroom. And lights, again, a lot of open windows, which I love. And then you reach our closet, which is pretty big. Pretty big walk-in closet. Like this is me walking in. This is me walking in the closet. You can fit a whole twin-size bed in here. That's how big it is. And then all this, so then this is me walking out. Like, it's so big. But yeah, that is the empty apartment tour. And I'll talk to you guys in the gym because I gotta move some stuff up, and then I have to go pick up my cousin and my sister, and then we're gonna all be back here at the new apartment, chilling, playing games, eating, having fun, living life to the fullest. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the gym. Oh my God, guys. So it's 8:43 freaking p.m. So after I left breakfast, like brunch, I went to move my stuff in, of course. And of course also like I bought my wine and all that kind of stuff. And then I had to come home. I had to pick up my sister and my cousin, and well, my sisters, and I had to come pick them up. And I'm on my way to get them now. I picked up one. I had to wait on my sister and my mom to get to their house because that took freaking forever. It's been waiting on them for hours. 4 freaking hours. So I'm about to grab them, and we're about to head to my apartment, grab some food. I'm gonna do pizza and wings, grab some food, have some games, drinks. Of course the kids aren't drinking, they're gonna drink soda. But yeah, I'm gonna go grab some food, some pizza, some wings and stuff like that, and we're about to go have game night and kind of like organize the apartment a little bit. It's not gonna be super organized, but it's gonna be pretty organized for now. So yeah. I need to unpack. Who's gonna help me unpack?
I'll help you. Best friend. Oh no.
Stuff's everywhere. Now we have to unpack. And I just got home. It's like 11 something. It's like 11 something. It's almost 11:30. I'm about to eat and then unpack the kitchen stuff. Unpack all this stuff. Man, I'm exhausted. Like I'm done.
If you don't answer, I swear to
Between all this stuff, I don't know.
okay. Let's get one.
Oh shit. She said, do you love me? I tell her I only love my bed and my mama. I'm sorry.
I don't want to go to Mexico no more. No.